The Grimma GF600. The GF600 is a cone-forming cutter from the global brand of agricultural machinery Grimma. It is designed for soil cultivation and most often used in fields for planting potatoes. The cutter has 6 rows and the width between them goes from 75 to 90 centimeters, and it's fastened to a 325 horsepower tractor. These features ensure intensive work and effective destruction of soil clots. One machine is capable of performing 2 functions at once, breaking the ground, making it loose and forming solid ridges. It has a folding design which ensures compactness and convenient transportation. When the milling cutter is folded, the tractor has a normal width, and therefore can move along the roads without interfering with the traffic. A significant advantage of the guide discs is that they guarantee accurate and stable operation even on slopes. Fendt 1050 Vario. Let's take a look at the Fendt 1050 Vario, a tractor designed to perform heavy field work. It has a compact design, unique traction characteristics, and economical fuel consumption. The integrated Vario grip system allows you to adjust the pressure of the pneumatic wheel supports, prolonging the life of the machine and ensuring less frequent maintenance. The engine power is 517 horsepower. The capacity of the fuel tank is 800 liters and it weighs 14 tons. It moves at a speed of up to 60 kilometers per hour, and the maximum reverse speed is 33 kilometers per hour. The Fendt 1050 Vario is a reliable agricultural vehicle that can be used with different accessories. The rear and front axle are independent from each other, giving the car excellent cross-country ability and allowing it to stably work under variable loads. The operator is less tired during operation, since the cab is protected from vibration and has thermal and sound insulation. Terragator 8103. This is a trailed sprayer. In agriculture, it's used for fertilizing soil and spraying chemicals. It can work in different modes. For example, it can be used along with a liquid system and disc, one-hopper or multi-bunker sprinklers. With the help of this vehicle, you can achieve high accuracy on the working field. A special system monitors the size of the injected dose, which is selected based on the characteristics of the field. Power and maximum traction are provided by a 6-cylinder diesel engine. Its rated power is 300 horsepower and the peak power is 322. The cabin is equipped to provide the operator with maximum comfort. The door is glazed, there's air conditioning for cleaning the air, and a seat on air suspension. ASSA Lift SP4000. ASSA Lift is a Danish company engaged in the production of agricultural machinery for harvesting various vegetables. One of their machines is the ASSA Lift SP4000, a self-propelled vehicle for harvesting carrots. On the front there's a passive or an active fork, which is selected in accordance to the characteristics of the field. Under the forks there is a plowshare for pruning the land and transferring it to the dump. This technology allows you to pick up carrots, cut off the tops, clean out the soil with minimum damage, and dump the product in a carrying truck. The digging forks move automatically, vertically and horizontally to scoop the carrot out from the bed without loss. This is an elevator combine, which involves working in tandem with a lorry. Large wheels and a powerful engine allow you to work even in difficult conditions. The ASSA Lift SP4000 does not get stuck where any other harvesters do. The Fendt 310 Vario High Clearance. If you need to loosen the soil in fields with high and fragile crops, for example where apple trees grow, you can use the Fendt 310 Vario High Clearance. This is a tractor with a key distinctive feature, an extremely high suspension. It is a compact special equipment weighing only 4.2 tons. The Fendt 310 Vario is an economical machine. It consumes a small amount of fuel and has a long service life. The volume of the fuel tank is 210 litres, enough for a full day of work, so it's not necessary to interrupt the process of refueling. With a power of 105 horsepower, the maintenance interval is 500 hours. It can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. The New Holland T7 270 and the Ferrari Multipla. Here we have the T7 270, a universal compact tractor used in agriculture for a variety of tasks. The developer is one of the world's leading manufacturers of special equipment, the American company New Holland. The rated power of the tractor engine is 240 horsepower. For the driver's comfort, the cabin is equipped with a patented Comfort Ride system. The vehicle can be used in combination with various attachments. The video shows how the New Holland T7 270 and the Ferrari Multipla work together to plant celery. 6 people can simultaneously work with this planting equipment. The seeder has 12 rows, meaning that one worker is in charge of just 2 plant lines. It can also be used for planting tomatoes, cabbages, lettuce, and onions. With the help of this vehicle, it's possible to achieve optimum quality even on uneven soil. Joskin Tornado 3. This agricultural vehicle is used for spraying manure. The remarkable features include a low-mounted body and a wheel with a large diameter. The body is made out of curved steel sheets, which provide optimal strength and a long service life. A shaft with a bent spiral spreads manure evenly to a distance of 7 to 16 meters. In the video, you can see how the sprinkler is used in conjunction with the modular chassis of the BMAD Green Cargo, which is also produced by the Belgian company Joskin. Sometimes, instead of this chassis, conventional tractors are used. The Grimmer GH6 Eco. This is a cone-forming milling machine of German manufacture, used for processing fields with beds ranging from 75 to 91 centimeters. The vehicle is equipped with a variety of equipment to work with different kinds of soil. It allows removing weeds mechanically without resorting to manual labor or chemical preparations. Teeth are selected individually, in accordance with the working conditions and the assigned task. For example, for a loose soil without stones, a rigid frame is used. To work with rocky soil, choose a spring-loaded housing. To work with large plants, you can choose a comber with separate rows. It's possible to work with damp earth as well. The length of the GH6 Eco is 198 centimeters, and the width is 478 centimeters. When folded, it has a small width, which allows it to move along roads.